how to make people listen to you. Something I struggled with for a long time around getting my ideas out, and I think slowly and slowly I've kind of learned how to get past that through a few different things, which is just selling your ideas, like I just kind of did, and I need to start doing it more, which is like telling stories around it. So, for example, I talked to somebody yesterday, which is like one of the people I listen to, and I was talking about how when I have people that I help online, I kind of just tell them what to do and I don't sell my ideas. And he was like, this is wrong. I should probably make this story better. But you get the point, because you're always selling, right? And that's kind of the point. You're always selling. And I think when I look around, the top people kind of have all these stories and make it obvious that what they're telling you is the thing you're supposed to do. So it's like, even at their level, which is like way higher authority than mine, always selling. So it's good to keep in mind. All right, bet. This probably should be an example too. But this example could be this video of yo. Oh my god, that's crazy. And look, average view time goes up. Okay, bye.